Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a revolutionary tool that has taken the world by storm. Yes, you guessed it right, we are talking about ChatGPT, the powerful language model that has revolutionized the way we communicate and work. And what's even more exciting is that you can now use ChatGPT to earn money in multiple ways. That's right, you can use this tool to turn your hobby or passion into a source of income. So, without further ado, let's dive in and discover 10 ways to earn money using ChatGPT. Content creation. Content creation is the process of producing written, visual or audio material that can be shared on social media, websites or blogs. The earnings vary depending on the niche and the platform, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $50,000 per month. Step-by-step process. Identify your niche, create high-quality content, share your content on platforms like YouTube, Medium, or your own blog, monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or selling products. Let's say you are passionate about cooking, and you love to share your recipes with others. You can create a cooking blog, start a YouTube channel, or write articles on Medium. You can then use ChatGPT to write the articles or captions for your videos. You can then monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, or even selling cookbooks. Copywriting. Copywriting is the process of writing promotional or marketing materials that are designed to sell a product or service. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $50 to $500 per project. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses in need of copywriting services. Offer your services as a copywriter. Use ChatGPT to write high-quality copy for the clients. Get paid for your services. Let's say you are good at writing and have a flair for words. You can offer your services as a copywriter to businesses in need of marketing materials. You can use ChatGPT to write high-quality copy for the clients and get paid for your services. Whether it's a sales page, an email campaign, or a social media post, ChatGPT can help you write engaging copy that sells. Chatbots development. Chatbots development involves creating chatbots for businesses to automate their customer service and support. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $10,000 per project. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses in need of chatbots. Offer your services as a chatbot developer. Use ChatGPT to develop high-quality chatbots for the clients. Get paid for your services. Let's say you have experience in programming and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as a chatbot developer to businesses that want to automate their customer service and support. You can use ChatGPT to develop chatbots that can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide personalized recommendations. With ChatGPT, you can create chatbots that deliver an unparalleled customer experience. Translation services. Translation services involve translating content from one language to another for businesses or individuals. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $50 to $500 per project. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses or individuals in need of translation services. Offer your services as a translator. Use ChatGPT to translate the content accurately and efficiently. Get paid for your services. Let's say you are fluent in multiple languages and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as a translator to businesses or individuals in need of translation services. You can use ChatGPT to translate the content accurately and efficiently, ensuring that the meaning is preserved in the target language. With ChatGPT, you can provide high-quality translation services to clients around the world. Research and analysis. Research and analysis are essential for businesses to make informed decisions. With ChatGPT, you can conduct research and analysis that is fast and accurate, and provide businesses with the information they need to make informed decisions. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $50 to $200 per project. Step-by-step process. Research businesses that need research and analysis services, understand their specific requirements. Use ChatGPT to conduct fast and accurate research and analysis. A market research firm needs to conduct a survey about customer preferences, so you use ChatGPT to automate the process, saving the company time and money. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative and technical support to businesses or individuals from a remote location. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $5,000 per month. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses or individuals in need of virtual assistant services. Offer your services as a virtual assistant. Use ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks, answer emails, and schedule appointments. Get paid for your services. Let's say you are organized, efficient, and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to businesses or individuals who need administrative and technical support. You can use ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks, answer emails, and schedule appointments, freeing up the time of the client to focus on other important tasks. With ChatGPT, you can deliver high-quality virtual assistant services to clients around the world. Social media management. Social media management involves managing and promoting a business's social media presence. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $5,000 per month. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses in need of social media management services. Offer your services as a social media manager. Use ChatGPT to write and schedule high-quality social media posts. Get paid for your services. Let's say you are creative, have a good understanding of social media, and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as a social media manager to businesses that want to promote their social media presence. You can use ChatGPT to write and schedule high-quality social media posts that engage and convert the target audience. With ChatGPT, you can deliver social media management services that help businesses reach their target audience and grow their online presence. Email marketing. Email marketing involves using email to promote products or services to a targeted audience. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $5,000 per project. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses in need of email marketing services. Offer your services as an email marketer. Use ChatGPT to write and send high-quality email campaigns that engage and convert the target audience. Get paid for your services. Let's say you have experience in email marketing and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as an email marketer to businesses that want to promote their products or services to a targeted audience. You can use ChatGPT to write and send high-quality email campaigns that engage and convert the target audience, helping businesses increase their sales and grow their customer base. With ChatGPT, you can deliver email marketing services that help businesses reach their goals. Data analysis. Data analysis involves analyzing data to extract insights and inform decision-making. The earnings vary depending on the project, but it can be anywhere between $500 to $5,000 per project. Step-by-step process. Identify businesses in need of data analysis services. Offer your services as a data analyst. Use ChatGPT to analyze data and extract insights that inform decision-making. Get paid for your services. Let's say you have experience in data analysis and want to use your skills to earn money. You can offer your services as a data analyst to businesses that want to make informed decisions based on data. You can use ChatGPT to analyze data and extract insights that inform decision-making, helping businesses make informed decisions and achieve their goals. With ChatGPT, you can deliver data analysis services that help businesses reach their targets. Virtual tutoring. Virtual tutoring involves providing academic or skills-based tutoring services to students online. The earnings vary depending on the number of students and the subjects you teach, but it can be anywhere between $20 to $50 per hour. Step-by-step process. Identify students or parents in need of virtual tutoring services. Offer your services as a virtual tutor. Use ChatGPT to provide personalized and engaging tutoring sessions. Get paid for your services. Let's say you have expertise in a particular subject and want to use your knowledge to earn money. You can offer your services as a virtual tutor to students or parents who need help with a particular subject. You can use ChatGPT to provide personalized and engaging tutoring sessions that help students understand the subject and achieve their academic goals. With ChatGPT, you can deliver virtual tutoring services that help students achieve their goals. So there you have it, 10 ways to earn money using ChatGPT. Whether you have a background in writing, social media management, content creation, email marketing, data analysis, or virtual tutoring, you can use ChatGPT to turn your skills into a profitable business. The opportunities are endless, and the earning potential is high. So why not give it a try? All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you're ready to go. With ChatGPT, you can turn your skills into a profitable business and start earning money today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you succeed. So, are you ready to start earning money with ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below, and let's get started. And remember, with ChatGPT, you're not limited to just one of these 10 ways to earn money. You can combine them, be creative, and come up with your unique strategy to maximize your earnings. The sky's the limit. So, let's make the most of this exciting opportunity and start earning money with ChatGPT today. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to make the most of ChatGPT and start earning money today. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family who may be interested in earning money with ChatGPT. The more people who know about this opportunity, the better. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. We'll be bringing you more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to earn money with ChatGPT, so stay tuned. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and start earning money with ChatGPT today. We can't wait to see what amazing things you'll achieve. See you in the next video.